Good morning. It's day 40 and I'm back on the trail. I'm really happy about it. Knee's doing pretty good. Tiny bit sore, but it's okay. Pack is fairly light and it's not a slack pack, but it's pretty light. I have 8 miles today to do today. Take my time doing it. And at the end of it, I'll see Barbara. So it'll be fun. I'm climbing out right now. So just want to check in. Hope you guys are having a good morning. And I will check in later. All right. I just stopped at Cable Gap Shelter. I hit the prairie. And now I got like a 3 mile, just about a 3 mile climb up, which I'm going to take nice and slow. And then it'll be down. But the trail is in good shape. I mean, the trail is real nice, you can see. So no complaints so far. And he's doing okay. Check in later. All right, it's my first glimpse at Fontana. Made it up the first part of the hill. I have a little down and then another up, and then the rest is down. I'm feeling pretty good. Okay, check in later. So this has been a pleasant hike today. So far so good with the knee. I even had a couple of missteps and it didn't jar it, didn't have any shooting pain or anything like that. I'm pretty sure it's my IT band. I watched some YouTube videos yesterday about certain massage techniques to use to try to release it because my IT bands are very tight. I've known that, but so I'm gonna ice when I get in. And I'll have Barbara there. It'll be a nice place to stay. And yeah, so yeah, the trail has been really pretty. You can see part of it there. Alrighty, we'll check in later. About probably 3 miles to Fontana. These could have been some cool little bear hangouts, little caves. Barbara would have loved that. All right, moving on. Alright, I made it. I'm really pleased with myself. Everything's feeling pretty good. It's about 11:45. I started at 8 o'clock. It took about a 10-minute privy break. And yeah, so this was good. This is good. Barbara's going to be here, so I'll take a photo of her when I see her. All right, thanks. So here we are again. And where are we again? We're eating.
You can turn it to us.
Huh?
Just to me, not to us, you silly. Turn it to yourself. Oh, here comes our fisherman.
So we have a new
Is that our
plan in
fisherman,
place.
guys?
I'll make you all aware of it tomorrow while I'm hiking. Checking. All right, we're wrapping up day 40.
Oh my gosh. Don't do that. That's terrible. Take that off, please. That is just terrible. Oh my gosh.
Oh, God.
Like 6 chins. Smashed against the baseboard here, or whatever you call it.
Tomorrow is a big day. 15 miles, slack pack, from Stickoa to the NOC. So Heather did it today, and she said it was a good hike, but the downhill last bit was a little rough, a little steep, but I'm going to take my time and do it slow, so no issues there. And Babs is going to be there for me when I get done, and we'll go and get some good food. Alrighty, we'll check in later. Ciao for now.